Hello and welcome to Ellen Ruth Soap. It's Ellen back here, and today I am making a restock of my Calamine soap. And I'm doing a little twist on it today. I'm doing a Calamine and Rose Clay combination soap. And so that is my Ginger and Lemongrass fragrance from BeScented. Here's my calamine powder. I add my dry ingredients into my oils and get them blended in really well before I add the lye solution. I find that works really well. Here's my rose clay going in. So again, the calamine and rose clay. I just thought the two of those sounded beautiful together. And then I'm going to add colloidal oats to this whole pot here too, get it all blended up, and then we'll move on with the lye solution. Okay, and here's my aloe vera lye solution. It has tussa silk fibers, sodium lactate, and cane sugar in there per my normal dosage. And I like to, when I'm doing a double batch, I like to do them in actual single batches. So I measure everything out twice. It's just easy for me to do one pot at a time. So when I do a double batch, I do two different single batches, if that makes sense. This is very easy to do. There's no swirls or anything. It's just luscious. I really want the ingredients in here to speak. They are the main part of the show here. So getting number one here batch in the mold. There we go. And I'm going to spoon texture with my little baby spoon. I just think it makes a really pretty scoop top. I love the size of it. And then after I get the scoop top all done, I will come in with my pink Himalayan salt and put some salt on there because I think the pink crystals look gorgeous. They're great for your skin, and I feel like it goes along with the entire theme of this soap. So this is batch number one in the mold. After I get the salt down here, I'm going to shove this mold off to the side and get on to mixing the next batch, and it's just an exact duplicate, take two of this one.